Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn finance logo design. Let us start. First, select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Go to the offset path, create an offset path. Repeat the same process. Repeat the same process. Delete the center circle. Select the rectangle tool. Create the finance icon design. Select the shipbuilder tool, and remove the finance icon design. Draw a straight line with the pen tool, and curve the lane. Increase the stroke size of the line. Adjust the curb line. Go to the Object menu, Line Expand. Select the Shape Builder tool. Remove the expanded shape. Add a small shape along the corner. Right-click on the shape, go to Transform, and copy Reflect. Select all shapes. Go to Pathfinder tool, Shape the Unite. Delete this part. Select the ellipse tool, create the circle. Adjust the circle. Select the circle. And go to the scissor tool. And make cut on the circle. And delete the cut part. Select a sideline. And go to the brush tool. From here apply the leafy brush to the line. Increase the brush size. Delete the second side brush. Right-click on the shape, go to Transform, and copy Reflect. Remove the bottom part from here. Draw stars in the top section. And adjust the stars. Add logo text. And fill it with color. Okay, good. Finance logo design is ready. Thank you for watching my video.